How to enable or disable PHP's allow URL fopen, using CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. In the Extra Features section, click Select PHP version. Click the Options menu. If this options page shows a warning message related to the PHP native version, change the PHP version to the non-native version from here. You can see that Allow URL fopen is disabled. Check the box to enable it. It has been enabled now. To disable it, click to uncheck the box. Now you know how to enable or disable PHP's allow URL fopen. Thank you for watching.